So let them come. But if the lawyer cannot come, the best person that can explain why the lawyer is not in court is the party who was sued. So either the lawyer comes or Mr. Emmanuel Ssebuusi, also known as Butebi, must come to court. Yes, because it is him who was sued. We didn't sue the lawyers.
What is transpiring today?
Count 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you can start.
Okay. I'm called Counsel Martin Mahumuza. I am land counsel for Afande Sergeant Kayanja Muhammad. Sergeant Kayanja Muhammad is a retired army officer, but currently posted in the office of the First Lady. Now, he investigated a file concerning Mr. Emmanuel Ssebuusi, also known as Butebi from Indiana. After he submitted his findings, in retaliation, Mr. Emmanuel Ssebuusi moved to various media houses alleging that Sergeant Kayanja is mad and he should be in Butebi, which is a defamatory statement. As a learned and civilized person, Sergeant Kayanja chose to come to court, which is the High Court Civil Division, and filed a case, instructed us, we filed a matter of defamation against the said Emmanuel Ssebuusi, also known as Butebi. The matter has been moving. Midway the hearing, Mr. Emmanuel Ssebuusi filed an application in this very court, in the very suit, alleging that Sergeant Kayanja was also moving around defaming him, and he wanted him arrested, committed to prison, and him to pay him costs. We came and argued the application, and I am glad to tell you that court ruled in favor of Sergeant Kayanja. Court found there was no merit in the application. It dismissed it. So we continued with the hearing of the matter, but unfortunately, lawyers for Mr. Emmanuel Ssebuusi and himself have not been coming to court. So court last time issued a hearing notice, which is a copy here, which we served onto the lawyers, that is their stamp. Surprisingly, in a twist of events, they said the defendant was away and that the lawyer was also going to Chiboga. Now, they didn't indicate anything. We came to court, they sent some other lady lawyer who said she knew nothing about the matter. So court noted the times those people have not been coming to court, and he said that is contemptuous. So court has ordered that hearing and conclusion of the matter must be done this Friday. Today is Tuesday, but this Friday. So we expect to be here Friday at 9, because the judge directed that the matter will proceed with or without the lawyer, or with or without Mr. Butebi. So we shall be here for the hearing and conclusion of the matter.
What is the sum of the remedies that your clients demand?
Well, as he tells you, this is a 2019 matter. By 2019, Sergeant was claiming over 500 million. But midway, first, Mr. Butebi filed an application against him, which ideally is another suit, which was dismissed. Yeah, I have copies here. I can share with you people. Again, he has been moving to court religiously. Even today, he's here. All those are costs. So the figure is way higher than what he looked at in 2019.
I heard you talking about the how this case is affecting the funding. How is it affecting the funding?
This case is affecting a funding in various ways. First of all, he is a trained army officer at a rank of sergeant. When he retired, Mama Janet, the First Lady, saw potential in him. He was posted in the office of the First Lady, and he does investigations. Now it is those people heard someone alleging that he is a mad person. So how can a mad person work in the office of the First Lady? So this case is not only affecting him, but it is undermining the office of the First Lady. Because ideally, Mr. Ssebuusi alleged that the office of the First Lady appoints or employs people who are mad, which can never be true. So it is affecting him as a person, it is affecting the office of the First Lady, but ideally it is affecting the whole country at large, because the file he involved an underage girl who was going to school. So this is a matter of importance.
If you can see the time you have been moving and this person has not appeared in court, what the law says about that?
What the law says, there are basically two things. First of all, they must pay costs for all those times. Yeah, but the law is very clear. If that persists, court can order that the matter proceeds ex parte. So if he doesn't come on Friday, the matter will proceed ex parte and it will be concluded.
What's your prayer for your land friends, lawyers who tend not to come to court and make land not come to court? What's your prayer?
Yes, to the lawyers, I won't say much. They are colleagues, they know what the law says. You must appear in court, either by yourself or by your advocate. So let them come. But if the lawyer cannot come, the best person that can explain why the lawyer is not in court is the party who was sued. So either the lawyer comes or Mr. Emmanuel Ssebuusi, also known as Butebi, must come to court. Yes, because it is him who was sued. We didn't sue the lawyers. So these elements of wasting time, you come, they don't communicate and so on, I think doesn't help Sergeant or doesn't help the matter. The matter is going to conclude.
Were he once arrested or given a bail, something like that? Ssebuusi?
No, this is a civil matter. We haven't yet reached that level. Yes.
But would you push yourself into that?
Automatically.
Because,
if he continues with contempt, automatically, you can get arrested and committed to civil prison. You can be ordered to pay damages and several other things. Court has the powers. You see, court, under the law, the High Court has inherent original jurisdiction. Inherent means court can make any decision it considers right. But remember, court over the years guards its procedures and decisions jealously. Court cannot summon you to appear and you refuse to appear. That is contemptuous. Yes.
Okay. Afande, do you have something to add on?